Hello guys!
Hello!
So welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to speak about if you can drink coffee on the keto diet.
Yes.
And after this video you're going to know all about ketosis, coffee, and how much coffee and when you can drink coffee.
Yes.
So it's going to be an awesome video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more of these awesome videos. My wife here.
I'm a keto coach.
Exactly. And these videos we are doing based on the troubles that
Yeah, my personal keto coach experience, like things that people come to me with.
And she's a certified keto coach. We can prove it with this big paper. You put it back. Yeah, that's a gold sealed Eric Berg Healthy Ketosis Coach Cert. So if you're interested, just hit up our website and
sign up for coaching today.
So coffee and keto. Can you drink coffee on keto?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. And can you drink unlimited or no? Or
No, not unlimited.
so basically on the keto diet, anybody can drink
One cup of coffee.
Black coffee. Let's
for sure.
keep it to
Preferably
that.
organic coffee.
Exactly. What happens when you drink 2, 3, or 4 coffees?
I mean, it all depends on your body, to be very honest. And generally, you just overload your body and you spike cortisol if you drink too much coffee.
So it stresses your body and then it makes cortisol, which makes sugar.
Yeah.
And
it's releasing sugar into your bloodstream, and then you get a sugar spike.
All right, so basically if you have a super healthy metabolism, maybe,
and you are younger, like close to 20.
So maybe then you can get away with 2, 3 black coffees.
Or maybe even more. Like if you have a young metabolism, probably you can get away with even more.
So as a suggestion, if you're trying to lose weight on keto, 1 black coffee is good. And when you go to YouTube, there's all these keto coffee videos. I mean, some people, they go nuts. They put like butter and cream and MCT oil.
And that's disgusting.
What's the deal with that, honey?
I mean, yes, when you start out keto, it could be really helpful because you get healthy extra fat, so you will be not as hungry, you last longer, so you eat less. So in the beginning, I would say it's really good. And you need to just find the way how you like to drink your coffee. I could never drink my coffee with coconut oil or MCT oil or butter. Like I would throw up if I would have to do that.
Yeah. And here's a misunderstanding that people have. So ketosis, when you're in the state of ketosis, is not equal to weight loss. Ketosis only means that your body is burning fat.
Yeah.
So to lose weight, you need your body to burn your own fat.
Yes.
So when you're drinking fat in your coffee and then your body is burning that fat and it deepens your ketosis, exactly, then you're not losing any weight.
No.
To drink these YouTube coffees that you see with the MCT oil, with the coconut oil, with the butter, and it's like this big Starbucks shake. It's completely idiotic because it will completely stop your weight loss, not because you're not in ketosis. You will be in ketosis, meaning burning fat, but you will be burning the fat that you just put into your body
your own
instead of your own stored fat. So basically, in the very beginning, when you start out, the keto coffee that you see on YouTube can be a very good tool to help you adjust to keto. But as soon as you can, you should resort to only drinking black coffee when you reach your goal weight. Because for example, Missy here, she has this problem that she cannot stop losing weight.
Like I have to eat a certain amount of time, otherwise I just can't go down, and I just don't want that.
Exactly. So for example, when you have this situation, very few people have this situation, then you put a lot of fat in your keto coffee. We even made a video that you can see here.
It will be in the part how I do my coffee.
Exactly.
It's the best one, by the way, the best one.
Exactly. It is a very good coffee. Drink it every morning, and I stopped losing weight since this coffee
because I am maintaining.
So this is all you need to know about coffee. You can drink it, but make sure you apply the stuff that we have said here. And if coffee stops your weight loss, then sorry, just find an alternative. Skip it. Yeah, or drink tea or something. And good luck with your weight loss. Make sure you give this video a like.
And subscribe.
And see you guys in the next video.
Bye
ciao,
bye.
ciao.